Yeah, hello. Today's project is... We're not in the lab, we're in the computer lab. Well, whatever. I don't think you saw anything, but... Anyway, we have my eminent dynacord again. And I'm going to replace those two capacitors, since that's the only electrolytic I haven't replaced yet. Oh! Where the hell is my rectifier tube? Oh. Okay, this project sort of killed me right now. Since I have to find that. And I don't know where it is. And it is GC34. I don't have any spare of those. Well, anyway, these are the replacement capacitors. And I think I'm gonna put my 3D printer to use and design a replacement holder. Man, that rectifier tube just really put me down. Like it wasn't bad to begin with. Anyway, as I said, we're not in computer lab, we're not in the electronics lab. So I'm gonna get on the computer and the CAD and try to draw something nice up. I have to think a bit first though, since, well... yeah. No, fuck it. I don't know. Let's just do that and we'll see how it happens. I'll be right back when I have a design, so probably never. Oh, sorry guys, whatever. We sort of like have one of the most terrible designs ever. I'm not very comfortable with Fusion or any other CAD program for that way. I actually failed the course in it. Not that it matters, since... oh yeah, I still have like 40 minutes print time left, so... I'm gonna go read something. Like programming in C, maybe? I don't know. And wait for this to be done. Yeah, don't... yeah, what the fuck happened with that? Anyway, who cares? That's good enough. I'll be back when it's printed and we'll see if it fits. Oh well, print got done. Now it's printing the adapter. Hopefully the dimensions are alright. Otherwise I'm gonna go... and change the scales and print again. But I'm soon out of filament, so if this doesn't work, I'm gonna go and, I don't know, give up for the day or so. We'll see. Only future can tell. Like, holy shit, do you actually see this? It actually worked. I mean, like, that doesn't happen to me. Maybe other people, but not me. It worked as designed. That's fucking amazing. I never expected that. I expected a lot of stuff, but not this. Let's just... oh, I don't have any super glue. Yes, let's just hot snot it in place and, like, mean, this is gonna work. This is gonna work good. Like, I mean, well, it's of course gonna look out of place, but you just hope nothing gets hot enough to melt the PLA. But, oh, I didn't think about that actually. Let's see. Nah, it's far away from all tubes and stuff, so yeah, it should actually be quite fine. I mean, like, this is gonna work. Nice. And it won't be able to move or anything. They even fit nicely fitted in. There we go. It's mounted in place. Sorry about bad lighting. Now we only have to go out to the lab and do some soldering. I don't think I'm gonna do that today though. And then we should be ready to go. I hope. Yeah, it doesn't look too good, but... oh well. It's gonna keep those capacitors from moving around. Well, today is tomorrow, and I sort of elbowed my way into the lab, so we're gonna solder this thing up. And then we're gonna... see if I can find a rectifier tube. It's probably somewhere here, or there, or maybe there. Or somewhere around there, somewhere there, maybe, somewhere there, over there. Well, it could be anywhere, basically. So I'm going to solder that up, and I'll update you on that, and we'll see where it ends. Well, we're a few days later, but it's soldered up and all. Looking good. I lost the rectifier tube, haven't found it yet. So, and with the diodes that it's running right now, instead of the rectifier tube, the voltage is too high. And probably blows way past 500 on startup. So that doesn't work with the capacitors I have. So I'm gonna have to source a rectifier tube or figure something else out. Maybe I can do that. We'll see. Anyway, the scope of this video is done and the adapter works. So, yeah, that's about it. I've been busy with radio and stuff, so we'll see what happens with that. And see you in the next video, sort of.